I've never felt like the paps are invading my life. I don't think,
Okay.
quite frankly, I'm very important as an actor or a celebrity figure, so to say, that the paparazzi are that interested in me.
I watched season one as an audience,
Yeah.
and now, like you said, being the new addition in season two, I can say the tone of the show hasn't changed.
Really, I think Neeraj Pandey. You can change anything, everything, and from special ops, but it would not be the same without Neeraj Pandey. Codename Alpha, never misses his target.
छुपा रुस्तम
Shadow.
क्या शाहरुख
Shadow.
अच्छा शाहरुख will not
Subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss another update from India Forums.
Hello everyone, this is Divya, and today I'm sitting with supremely talented and handsome hunks, as you can see. And वैसे तो they are trained to stay undercover या disappeared, but today they are here right in front of us, and just how?
Are you talking about us?
Yes, of course.
Thanks.
The super house, of course, from Special Ops Season 2. So welcome to India Forums.
Thank you for
Thank
having
you.
us.
So I'll start with पहले एक कहावत होती थी, but now I guess it has changed a bit कि with season 2 comes greater responsibilities, ऐसा हो चुका है. So there are things when seasons बदलते हैं, बहुत सारे new चीज़ें होती है, faces are fresh, new characters are included, बहुत कुछ change होता है. But I want to know what is that one thing about Special Ops that you think hasn't actually changed, and even if अगर बहुत सारे seasons बढ़ते गए 3, 4, 5 whatever, but that one thing will never change because that's what made it Special Ops. And of course you are new, but you will still have that feeling after being on sets or whatever that if this season continues and everything, what is that one thing that will stay rooted?
Actually, you're the best person to answer this.
Oh, am I? Thanks for putting me in the spotlight there right away. I watched season one as an audience,
Yeah.
and now, like you said, being the new addition in season two, I can say the tone of the show hasn't changed.
True.
Like the way people in the intelligence bureau speak to each other, the way the characters interact was rooted in reality, and that's what I really loved about season one. कि action adventure जितना भी बड़ा हो, कहानी जितनी में जितना भी thrill हो, वो एक realism जो नीरज पांडे के काम में होता है,
Right.
वो खोया नहीं है इन्होंने.
Really, I think Neeraj Pandey. You can change anything, everything, and from special ops, but it would not be the same without Neeraj Pandey
True.
and his writing. So that is something that cannot change for me. I cannot see special ops without Neeraj Pandey,
Yeah.
for sure.
What's not changed is, when the first season script came to me, it was a page turner. And I remember I sat down and I binged read it all in one night. And it's the same for me for season 2 as well.
Yeah.
The narrative in itself, I feel, is really gripping, just like season 1, if not more. And and pretty much that. Yeah.
Lovely. So going to the in-depth things of season 2, which we can see from the trailer, there's the enemy here is AI. You cannot see it, but the way it's doing things and everything. Security breach हो रहा है, people की individual life में how it's going and everything. So I want to know that while this is a very global phenomena, but when it comes to our industry, how is this breach of privacy or the media getting into the personal lives of people? How is that happening, and how would you like to comment on that? And
I've never
how-
felt like the paps are invading my life. I don't think,
Okay.
quite frankly, I'm very important as an actor or a celebrity figure, so to say, that the paparazzi are that interested in me. So I've never really felt that invasion personally. I can't really remember it, quite frankly.
Okay.
I think like when it comes to entertainment media and actors, there's always been a certain extent of curiosity, and it reflects the curiosity of the public. The great thing about technology and social media is that you can actually control how much of your personal life you want to give out. There are people who want अभी मैं breakfast में ये खा रहा हूँ, अभी मैं शाम को यहाँ जा रहा हूँ, everything goes up. Or you can control what you want, like how much of your life you keep public and how much you keep private. So I think the big question is in the control, is how much of it do you control personally through your device. And I think that's where a show like Special Ops comes in, because the antagonist, the character that I play, takes charge of that control. कि आपको लगता है कि आपका digital information, आपका personal social media, आपके बैंक accounts, आपके देश की सुरक्षा आपके हाथों में है, पर सडनली अगर वो हैक करके अगर कोई अपने हाथों में कर ले तो कितना बड़ा खतरा हो सकता है. देखा
इसमें
reverse-
I think
इसको कहते हैं
इतना
reverse spin.
क्या मतलब तूने क्या मारा
हाँ,
है?
मतलब कहाँ से कहाँ लेके
कहाँ
गया
से
ना
कहाँ?
वापस शो में,
Yeah.
आई रियली
Yeah.
अप्रिशिएट दैट,
Yeah.
थैंक यू। आई थिंक इससे थोड़ा सा डिवेट करूंगा मैं ताहिर ने जो बोला, क्योंकि जो हमारे कंट्रोल में, अगर इफ यू टॉक अबाउट अस एज एक्टर्स और वट एवर पब्लिक फिगर्स वट एवर, ये आपके हाथ में नहीं है। थोड़े टाइम पहले से नहीं था, क्योंकि डिजिटल मॉर्फिंग और ये वो सब इतना ज़्यादा हो गया था कि एनीबडी कैन बी सब्जेक्टेड टू दैट, एंड वी हैव seen videos being leaked of known public figures in the past, be it from Hollywood or to some extent in Bollywood also. So I don't think every like in general people are safe, and now it's getting, पहले होता था कि पता चल जाता था कि मॉफ्ड है या नहीं है, जो भी है। अभी इट्स द लाइंस आर बीइंग मर्ज्ड कि क्या रियल है क्या आर्टिफिशियल है, टाइम लग जाता है उसको डेसिफर करने में। और जहाँ तक मीडिया का सवाल है इंटरफेयरिंग विद योर लाइफ, आई डोंट थिंक, आई मीन अनलेस यू आर a superstar or you paying them like a ton of money, they'll be bothered to kind of chase you around.
Right.
Yeah.
Also, in the show, there's of course a balance between both. You have to do the physical transformation for the role and everything because there's action and everything, and because a lot of psychological thing also goes, and you have to prepare your mind mentally also, क्योंकि आपको बहुत सारी चीजें दिखानी हैं in different ways. So between these two, how do you make that balance, and do you think that sometimes the physical transformation is less challenging than to train your mind to do a specific role?
I think for me, at least, it depends from part to part. I was very lucky over here that the collector in Special Ops, it's a combination. Like
Right.
he, as you can see from the trailer, there's a control that he has because he's of sharp IQ. He uses technology. He's a business tycoon. But there's also an aspect to his character where he enjoys action. He enjoys mixed martial art. तो यहाँ पर दोनों की तैयारी करनी काफी चैलेंजिंग थी क्योंकि समय भी कम था एंड कुछ दिन ऐसे होते थे कि वेर यू शूट 2 एक्शन सीन्स एंड देन यू गो इनटू अ डायलॉग सीन सो फिजिकली एज एन एक्टर आप थोड़े थक गए हो एंड नाउ यू हैव टू डू अ टॉकी सीन वेयर यू हैव टू प्ले अ डिफरेंट एस्पेक्ट ऑफ हिज साइकोलॉजी इज चैलेंजिंग एंड ये हर बार होता नहीं है समटाइम्स यू गेट कैरेक्टर्स which are physically more demanding sometimes you get them which are psychologically more but this one is a combination
I think ये सेम चीज़ है। I mean, sometimes यही जो ताहिर ने बोला, sometimes you get a character which is, if I'm doing a drama film, आप उसमें एक्सपेक्ट नहीं करो कि एक्शन करने लगेगा, तो उसमें साइकोलॉजिकल डिफरेंस जो है वो आप जो उसकी कैरेक्टर की जो एक हिस्ट्री है आप उससे कितना आपको उसको डिकोड करना है एक इमोशनल लेवल पे उस कैरेक्टर को, वर्सेस और सीक्वेंस टू सीक्वेंस भी चेंज होता है। समटाइम्स द इमोशनल सीक्वेंसेस are so physically challenging more than actually fighting, honestly, because I remember कि मुझे शायद physically इतना दर्द कभी नहीं हुआ जब मैंने कुछ ऐसे सीन किए थे मेरी फर्स्ट फिल्म में जो मेरे लिए फिजिकली ज़्यादा ड्रेनिंग थे बिकॉज वो इमोशनली इतने चैलेंजिंग थे। तो मेरे लिए वो बहुत लेबोरियस हो गया था कि मैं घर जाके भी मतलब इतना ड्रेन्ड आउट था 2-3 दिन तक, मतलब मेरी जो फर्स्ट फिल्म थी उसमें कुछ ऐसे सीन्स थे तो वो मेरे लिए फिजिकली ज़्यादा चैलेंजिंग थे वर्सेस स्पेशल ऑप्स जहाँ पे मैं मार खा रहा हूँ एंड आई एम एक्साइटेड नेक्स्ट डे फिर से मार खानी है तो मैं सेट पे जा रहा हूँ, टर्न अप कर रहा हूँ, बट दैट गेट्स योर ब्लड पंपिंग एड्रेनलिन गोइंग एंड या।
For me, the character that I'm playing, that's what decides what the physicality needs to be like. For Special Ops specifically, Farooq Ali is a raw agent, so he has to be physically sharp. He has to be very quick with weapons. He has to know weapons very well, because he's got to look the part and behave the part. अगर आप किसी raw agent को मिलेंगे, वो दिखने में बहुत normal लगते होंगे, but they can make any guy fall down in like less than 10 seconds. That's their job, right? So as actors, you're meant to look as closest to the part and behave it. So my physicality comes from whatever character that I'm playing. Having said that, of course, I've always said this, that every action piece has an undercurrent of an emotion going on.
Of course.
For Farooq and for the team of Himmat Singh, you are fighting for the country. You are trying to save the country at a point of crisis. And you are that one phone call that he makes to get the job done. So all of that does take an emotional tangent on where you're coming from, because even when you're performing, a hand-to-hand combat between two people, एक thought होता है उसके पीछे कि आप, where are you coming from as an actor? तो उसके पीछे एक emotional sensibility लगती है. So it's a balance of both, and I feel every character has its own, front footing, and this one.
Right.
This one has a lot of action this year. I'm saying, sorry, this season,
Yeah.
and that takes the best out of you. By the end of it, quite frankly, you're busted
True.
because you've woken up at 3:30 in the morning. You've driven 2 hours far away in a location, and you're shooting from sunrise to sunset. And you're non-stop hitting each other, and you're fighting, and you're falling, and you're doing it multiple times. So by the end of the day, तो जान निकल जाती है. It's a tough one because I don't know how you recover, but अगले दिन आप उठते हो ना, आपकी आंखें सूजी होती हैं because you're just so
Yeah.
fatigued
Yes.
from the last day. So it's a battle in itself, but all in all, it's a lot of fun.
Of course. So I have a quick segment for you. Of course,
Love
you all.
segments. Yeah.
It's related to the show.
Go for it.
So you of course you all are the agents and everything.
Yeah.
But for example,
The
if you
actors who are playing agents.
yes. But अगर show में आपको you had to apply, okay, as a raw agent, and if you have to fill a resume for that,
Okay.
what will your characters write? So firstly, for the code name, if you have to select a code name for yourself,
Muzammil.
Code name.
Yeah.
as your characters.
Considering तो already half trained.
मैं तो आउट हूँ क्योंकि मैं एजेंट नहीं हूँ ना.
Code name.
तो एंटागनिस्ट स्पेसिफिक
But if you are, अगर
अच्छा,
आपको बना
ऐसे
दिया,
Code name Alpha.
Hypothetical.
स्पिन खेल रही हूँ तो.
Code name Alpha. Never misses his target.
Okay. What will your code name?
छुपा रुस्तम.
Nice.
Shit. What my
It's
code
like
name?
post lunch interviews or just.
Shadow.
क्या शाहरुख?
Shadow.
अच्छा, I was like, शाहरुख will not.
वो भी लगता है.
शाहरुख.
Code name
Shadow would be nice.
शाहरुख the producer.
Code name
Shadow.
कुछ भी हो
Shadow would be nice. I'd like Shadow
Yeah.
as a code name.
What would be the special skill?
That he's in the shadows.
Okay.
You don't see him coming.
Yes. For you.
That he's a Chopa Rustam. That he
Very
can be a Chopa
obvious.
also or a Rustam also. Yeah.
For you.
I said, never. I don't miss my target.
Okay.
Yeah.
What would be the weakness?
लड़कियाँ.
Yeah, I think.
सबके लिए
Exactly.
same.
match
करता है never miss the target के साथ.
है ना?
Yes.
It's true. If you look at James Bond also carefully, like that
Of
is the
course.
one.
That's the one.
Yeah.
And it's been established, like my character, that he's always with the
Yeah.
girls and flirty and kind of that guy.
Double life or a cover job? A hidden job you are doing along with being that.
I think an
That's a
actor-
double job. Like
As actors, pretty much do
living
that.
that.
life, so double
living
life
is
only.
only.
Yeah.
Our families get confused sometimes.
Of course. And one thing you will never
I
compromise.
like how you said of course to that. If my
Of
family
course.
was scared, should I of course?
Of course. Of
तुम लगते हो
course.
वैसे.
On
Yeah.
to the next one.
Yeah.
One thing you will never compromise on.
The integrity of the nation.
Yes.
Are we still talking about as agents now or
Yes.
as we're still at the agents? My ability to be a Chopa Rustam, I think, is
He's stuck on that.
yeah. Sorry.
Exactly. I mean, my mission. Never compromise on that.
Okay,
Whatever
lovely.
it is, right?
Which one was this? The one with the girls or the one with the
Yeah,
target?
both.
I mean,
I mean,
he tells me
the
no.
girls are the targets. Yeah.
This is a part of the mission.
Yes. And lovely guys, now I have few voice audios for you. These
Okay.
are of actors or some activities,
Okay.
and you have to hear them and guess what is it.
Okay. One at a time, or it's like
Are actors in this activity?
No, no. So
Okay.
activities are different, and there are voices of the actors.
Son.
We have to guess which actor it is.
Yeah.
one,
if the,
one at a time, or
One
it's
at-
like whoever
No, no,
guesses.
one at a time.
One at a
I'll
time.
let you know
Okay.
before.
No, I think
It's not a buzz around, guys.
Yeah, but we can see that who's doing it first.
ये पुराने
It is.
It is a buzz. Oh.
Let's see, you can guess it first.
Yeah.
Done. Chali.
Sure, I'm starting it.
It's a horse.
Yes.
That was
Do we like that?
Yeah.
I was riding the horse.
No, 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 no.
No, I thought
I'm
it was
not
going
going
that
that
way.
deep.
I won that round, guys.
Yeah,
Like
shit.
it's like I was being.
Well, you said it's going to be.
That will also come. I'll give you an audio.
It
I'll
has to
tell before.
build up, yeah.
So this time, this is an actor's voice.
Okay.
Actress's voice.
actor.
simple things. They're both very awkward with the same
Anushka
that they
Sharma.
have. They don't embrace.
Lovely. Again, an actor's voice.
तूने बोला तो आया ना
नवाजुद्दीन सिद्दीकी.
जिम्मेदारी नहीं समझ आती और ये जबरदस्ती तुमने की है और तूने जो ये बकवास की है ना वो गलती बोला तूने कुछ पर बोलना नहीं चाहिए था तुझे
Can't guess.
सीधी वाली बात करते ना तुम
Can you play it again?
फिर से चलाना.
तूने बोला तो आया ना नहीं समझ आती और ये जबरदस्ती तूने की है और तूने जो ये बकवास की है ना वो गलती बोला तूने कुछ पर बोलना नहीं चाहिए था तुझे
KK मैन
No.
और ये सीधी वाली बात करके ना तुम
No, you'll have to take it yourself.
yeah
We
So
cannot
it's
even
Vicky
make it.
Kaushal.
oh right from what show or interview
It's from Manmaz, yes.
oh right okay
Now that you say,
Yeah.
Now I have an activity again. Like you have to guess the activity's voice.
Activities voice.
Something is happening. You have to guess what.
balls
Raining?
are falling.
Raining?
popcorn
Popcorn.
I can't even hear you because it's. I mean, either you put it here.
बहुत मोटी मोटी ओले गिर रहे हैं.
नहीं.
Uh,
I'll do
beyond-
it again.
किसका पेट खराब है?
it's the same horse from the first clip
But he's riding on something
Yeah,
else.
he's drunk.
riding on a wooden plank.
No.
he's drunk
So this is an activity we all do every day.
it's running like a
Taking a
jogging.
shit.
Oh, no.
ये बहुत कॉम्प्लिकेटेड है यार. हुक्का पी रहे क्या?
ये तू कौन सी एक्टिविटी रोज करता
Actually, हुक्का भी हो सकता है. पट 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 कर रहा है.
If I show you the video, आप लोग shock हो गए.
तो देखिए ना, एक तो आपका
ये आप इतना तेज टाइप करते हो क्या?
Oh, it depends on
typing.
yeah,
हम कहाँ इतनी तेज टाइप कर
इतना
सकते हैं?
टाइप मेरे को देखना
If
पड़ता है.
you're a women,
कहाँ
maybe
पे.
yes. I take forever to type one message.
Yeah. Okay. And last.
That's very
one-
fast typing, yeah.
Exactly. Last one, it's an audio of an actress again.
I think people change. I don't think nature's changed. At least I haven't.
Kalki.
Whatever she was innately as a human being, she's still very much there.
रेखा जी. Yeah.
I know it's hard to believe, but it's true.
Yes, guys. Thank you so much.
Thank you,
We done
thank
it
you.
again. Thank you so
Fab.
much.
Thank you.